Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at an interesting chart, an AI cryptocurrency chart. I'm talking about Fetch.ai. Let's go. Okay, we are on the Market Intel website. dailymarketupdate.com is the link. You can find actually the link in the video description. You can register here completely for free and you get access to all of our updates, including tech stocks and the S&P 500. Today we want to take a look at the Fetch.ai chart. We start on the longer time frame, then we will take a look at the shorter time frame. You can get access to our written updates as well, probabilities and support and resistance levels when you register on this website. What are we dealing with here? Has anything changed? So it is, in our opinion, a chart that could still move higher in this cycle into the direction of $6.24 plus next. That is a target area we have defined for a third wave. So it starts at 6.24. This would be sort of the first ideal target where we want that internal third wave go to. Then there should be a fourth wave and a fifth wave to complete an even larger five wave pattern. Now, what you can see on this chart is that the third wave is the longest one, the strongest one. That cannot be guaranteed, but it's very common. It's very common, and especially in the cryptocurrency sector, the third wave is usually an extended one, and that has to be expected. That is actually normal, and we would expect it to be longer than wave one. So again, larger degree target zone starts at $6.24. Will it get there next week? Will it get there in 2 weeks? Probably not, but it is a target area that a third wave should get to. Elite wave doesn't really allow us to make any, let's say, calls about when something happens. It's more a price-based system that can help us understand where reward is high and risk is low. These are typically our trading areas, for example, but also where prices should get to. And all of those levels allow us to calculate reward and risk. We also get the invalidation points. Now we see some of these important levels now on the smaller time frame. This is the smaller time frame. It gives a little bit more detail, and currently the structure is a bit of a mess. Okay, so it's not a great structure, which is also the reason why we have not added a trading area to the chart. But you can see it on this chart. I mean, the 69-cent level needs to hold in order to keep this overall uptrend that we're tracking alive. Below that level, there would be a reinterpretation of the chart, and the 69-cent level would be a local invalidation point. Now, we see this current wave 2 correction as a flat correction. We have an overshooting B wave that is actually a wave or a pattern that is part of a correction already. So everything that we've seen since this previous swing high was part of this correction, and when the B wave overshoots, then the C wave doesn't necessarily need to go below the A wave low, but it often does. It doesn't have to, okay? It can do, but below 69 cents it would be too low to be, clearly still bullish. So what we need to see next would be that the bulls find support here somewhere in this area before breaking below the red line. Currently the pullback looks more like a 3-wave move. If this really is a C wave down, we might see 5 waves, so a few more downside squiggles here, and then a reaction would be needed, and it could take the price above that $2.19 level here, and we would then look at further and higher prices into the direction of the larger degree target that we discussed on the long-term chart. So overall, I think we could get some short-term downside, but then the overall focus is still on higher prices also in the medium term and long term. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you register on our website. Also, don't forget to activate the notification bell below the video. Then you will be informed and notified about future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.